Fela volume. Ya ke rupi. Le focus.
Alabaten.
Okay. Can you put something for me? So remember ya.
Oraga yung Khatman.
Pau ko tete pera ko strate.
Frustrating. Pau ko tete. Kopela challenge.
Ubafa forgiveness. Wa kopela forgiveness.
Yeah, bawang ko tete sorry.
Serious.
Ke misunderstanding.
Usa ula makawaya ka wena.
Serious, ke misunderstanding.
Pare wifi au kuna hali wena.
Like how can Scott already the attitude. How can I? So,
Decided or wasare lavana.
yeah, peace my chance.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswase Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Scott Maphuma finally apologized ngemva kokuthi Mzansi Africa or umjikele ini leso sikhathi bekangathembi kokuthi abantu bala Mzansi they are capable azidlali la Scott. So this is after people I said ukuthi uScott Maphuma awune attitude akafuna ukushutha nama-fans, rude toward his fans. People are just complaining about his attitude, man. Everywhere nje bekhulunywa ngaye ukuthi lo mfana lona waze watitshela waze watati nangumfana akababoni labanye bantu. Hayi umfana wavele waya lapha uqale waya lapha ku-Instagram wayobhala ukuthi yena he doesn't owe people anything, yena ngeke athanze wonke umuntu because he's not money. Hebana wabhala ukuthi actually paying attention to this thing for the last time. Hebana wabhala mrokoroko telling people to get off ukuthi hey angin owe mina. Wangagcina lapho uScott Maphuma waphinza waya ku-podcast ya-Eltido wayekhuluma the very same thing. U-Eltido makamtshela ukuthi hey bantu bathi une-attitude athi angenela nje futhi mina ngihlangani. If bantu baqanga ukuthi ngine-attitude then it's fine, I don't owe people anything. But hayi wena ngicabanga ukuthi ula ukhona because of people athi mine ngila ngikhona because of myself. Ngila nje mina ngikhona because of myself, not because of people. Ngila ngikhona mine because of mine. Sekufuna mina ngabe ne-life yami mina ngayikhona ukuya esitolo ngothenga aliteki because mangiya esitolo ngothenga aliteki umuntu ofuna kushuthana nami mangafuni vela ngifune, and mangishutha nami lo yi-one nalo ofuna ngishuthe kudleka isikhathi sabani. Hebana this guy was just so saying ukuthi hebana yami and I don't owe people anything. Angadiboni nje brong bakhe angabi nenzaba nganamahloni obantu bathi Stockholm wena athi makaperforma lately bantu bathule guys ngathi bafile bamnikede nje just a moment of silence. Bathule bathi du bantu bambuka performa aze babude ukuthi nithuleleni bantu bangenelani naye bangamnaka bone nje naye ukuthi bantu phela laba bantu labantu abasangivisisi. Wazama kulenye video sambona after Cotton Fest perform Cotton Fest wazama kulenye after performing wahaga ama-fans ababingelela azama kancane nyalo uyaqolisa kakhona yakubona ukuthi uyafuna lokuqolisa but lokuqolisa kuhamba nemahloni ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuqolisa but angifuni ngiqabanga ukuthi ngiyaninqengile but uyafuna ukuqolisa because uyabona ukuthi things are getting out of hand but awufuni kube ngazuthi mhlambe ngidesperate for ukuthi ningithanze but uyafuna ukuqolisa. We know uyafuna ukuqolisa siqolisa kahle stokuqolela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.